Reached the lodge, and I think my vlog officially begins. What? Yeah, so yeah, this is Shona. Let's see what this place has in store. Okay, so walking into the place so far, loving how it looks. Let me show you guys. Okay, so currently we're heading to Griffin Falls.
I haven't been there like since my 21st birthday.
When did I go there? Maybe like 5 years ago. I have a post about it on my Instagram. Check me out.
What do I put in?
What I remember was the climbing up the tree to get to the actual
I literally forgot about that.
And what do I put? Griffin Falls?
No, that memory somewhere far away.
I couldn't forget. It's
but it's really fun. Once you climb up, it's not that hard. Once you get up,
it's easy.
Zigzag all the way
it's
down.
the getting up. But we'll see. Maybe they've improved it. Griffin Falls, I really hope you did, because
I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want your life, I want
I need to get content.
Don't recognize it. My Uganda.
Nothing again.
what's it going? G-Wagon.
Okay, so we've reached Griffin Falls, and I honestly have PTSD. I'm actually shaking. I've noticed something about myself. I always try to do adventurous things. To be honest, girl, I'm so scared.
Every
like,
time she does
shaking,
something adventurous,
shaking in my boots. Anyways, about to start getting, girl. No, I'm never coming back again. But yeah. Okay, so a quick fit check.
army green, so I blend with the trees so the monkeys don't spot me out. But
with the gold braids. Anyways, wearing these bikers are from Shein and Adidas sneaks. This is the part where they make you sign as if
you're going to die.
don't say
that. In case you die, you cannot sue us.
No, cringy, please don't say that. I do remember last time we were here, we saw a snake. No, I'm just saying, it's just a small snake. The great tree was supposed to climb. Goodness gracious. Okay, so we're getting geared up, guys. It's like a 1 hour walk
At this point,
to get here.
at this point, it's
But
every year.
the guys aren't even using any rope to pull him up. He's just going. Oh my days.
Maya, Hans has been teaching you.
Once a week maybe isn't enough. I may need more.
This one.
Come on, Crunchy, lead the way. Show us how it's done.
Let's go.
Bruh.
Come on.
No. This tree is too high. Slowly. I want to. The storm is over apparently, guys. We made it. Now for another bad part.
Don't grab that table. You hurt yourself.
This one. You cut off your phone.
Ooh.
Understood.
She climbed this thing in 2 seconds and she's still scared.
It's a game, not a fun thing.
Wait, am I still?
My hurry to you?
Okay, I can hold this.
Little bit, don't overhold.
Oh my god.
When you hold tight, get muscle pull open in your
That's
finger.
not fair now. I'll get the muscle pull.
Sit down. One. This is the cable. It's 24,000 kilograms. You have like a 70 or 80.
50.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Welcome. Okay, so we're walking to see the falls. Guys, the weather. These clouds are extra grey. So, fingers crossed we reach. Remember what?
When we go to the village and we walk in the plantation.
Yeah. But just saying, this does not compare, please. I'm trying to record. I look at the ground, I'm about to fall.
I'm not even walking fast because it's looking like.
Bruh. Was it worth the walk? Let's see. I can hear the water, but I can't see. But still, the view, it looks amazing. So we're still going towards the falls, guys. The clouds. I don't know. It's like a 20-minute walk back. Hey.
Raining.
We look good.
It's like just raining.
I wish I could just see.
Nowhere to run, there's nowhere to hide.
We're literally so far away from anything, and it's like full-blown raining.
If I fall in mud,
We've accepted this is our fate.
yeah, like there's nowhere to run and hide. You just blend in. Make sure you don't skid.
Recording live from Mabira. Something worn up, dripping, walking in mud. But yeah.
That was a video game.
Wait. On the way back. Look at
Accompaniment.
menu time.
I didn't come to eat rice.
Trying to pick our food.
I could do.
Okay, so we've just finished eating. The food was okay, honestly. It could have been better in my opinion, but it was fine. Now we're heading to Karinji's room to just chill and hang out.
Happy birthday, Higa. More life, more luxuries, more enjoyment.
Okay, so just a little debrief. Yesterday, after the ziplining, I definitely would say if you do come ziplining in the rainy season, which is like towards the end of the year, do come with, you'd even rather just do it in gumboots. Prepare yourself, come with an umbrella, a raincoat if you must, because we were literally, you're in the forest, there's no shade, there's nothing. We're walking, I couldn't even see because there was like so much water in my eyes half the time. So after that, we got back, freshened up. Then we ate supper. Yeah, so they brought us a list with like a selection of things we got to pick out what we wanted. Then we went to one of our rooms, played some games, hanged out, talked and stuff. They did put up a bonfire for us around 7, which was nice. We sat around the fire and it just kind of felt like those childhood things you do with your family, like at your farms and stuff. It was cute. It was cute. So today is the actual Nyege day for us. We're just about to have breakfast and then maybe swim, because we actually haven't swum yet, but it's probably because it's been super cold this side, so I guess we'll see how we feel after. We'll see how the rest of the day goes. Fingers crossed for a good day. This water was icy cold. You know, icy cold. Yeah. I'm just recording. It was super cold. I think it's because it was very cold at night. So, whatever science that is.
Put us in your best boat ball.
I love the boat ride. I wish it went on longer, but people are running. Honestly, it was supposed to only be for 30 minutes. We're literally on it for at least 40. So it was good. It was good. I wasn't even on the boat for the geography lesson. The guy was. Oh no, that guy knew his stuff. He was telling us all about the birds. All the birds he was saying. Snake bird or what was. Anyways, now we're going to get really ready to go for Nyege. So stay tuned.
Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. Also those many friends that they come to me. One time, sit down in a class, I'm a poor dead. Only see the Lord, I'm the one being good. Third form is a very tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Jump on stage, make credits, and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring. Like, hello, brother, say, I saw you. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your son. You're falling on the man. It's me up a top, talk for the dirty, the burning, the dust, the plus.
Okay, in your opinion, how was this year different from last year's Nyege?
I didn't come last year, but I've been for 2 years before. I just love the different activities. That was really fun. We were in a jumping castle, jumping our asses off till more people came in.
I went down the
but
slide.
it was lit. I just felt like I love how they're different activities.
Like there's much more this year compared to last time.
It's the best music. I think I'd say Smirnoff.
Smirnoff tent 100%.